So I bet you've heard something very similar to this lick, if not this very lick, and wondered, how do I do that with those pretty voicings? So check this out. So it's actually a lot simpler than it seems. What we're going to start with is B flat major over G minor. I'm just inverting a B flat major triad here. And then we're going to do F sharp diminished. Or you can think of it as D major over F sharp, which gives us that F sharp diminished major 7 sound. And then A flat major over F. And that gives us our F minor 7 sound here, which is really, really pretty. That's pretty much it. Then we just take the melody and just use our triads on top.